to create text for your imprint. To create new text for your imprint, you need to be logged in as supervisor. From the Supervisor menu, select Options and Updates. Select Text. Select Add New. Using the keypad, type the text you wish to appear on your imprint. When done, press Next, then press Create. Press Quit and press the Sleep-Wake button twice to exit the Supervisor menu. Press the Customize Stamp button. Select Imprint Left or Imprint Right. Select the text list, then select your text. Press the Back button and select Validate.